Welcome back to Markup Satisfaction, home of the Capture Gang, where we never get financial advice, always do our own research, and capture wealth in all of its amazing forms. My name is Victor, and I'm feeling amazing today, ladies and gentlemen. All we're going to be doing today is looking at the chart of Bitcoin real quick. The reason I want to do that is because a lot of people I've been seeing them say and hearing them say, that this last little pump is our move to go up. You know what I mean? They're saying, oh, it's December, it's time to go up, and it was a 10% pump. Okay, it was a 10% pump. We're below structure here, and everyone's saying because it's December, it's time to go up, and I do agree. It is time to go up. We're in December. We have to start seeing some movement here real quick, or things are going to start looking a lot differently than what we initially thought they were going to look back in 2020 when we were getting ready for all of this madness to go on. Now, one of my previous videos, I did say somewhere, I think we were about up here, we were just touching this blue zone for the first time, and I said, if we do not hold this blue zone, if we break below it, then I personally would be expecting to come down and touch this trend line. At that point in time, I was saying the coordinates right here where the 23.6 on the fib and my trend line meet up was right here. So it was about $50,400, right? Let's just call it 50K. So this is where I was saying I know a lot of people do not want to hear this. Okay? But look at the facts. We're behind, we are underneath major structure. And we only had a 10% pump here. It wasn't that crazy. I get it. It's December. Everyone wants to go. But look, you know what I mean? And again, I do want to say price is not being, or at least crypto is not being accurately reflected on these price charts. Okay? But that doesn't mean that we just stop looking at them altogether. Okay? There's a lot of manipulation going on. There's a lot of FUD going on in these news articles and all this stuff. Stay out of the media. They don't ever say anything good about anything. Okay? So you need to do your own research. Equip yourself with the knowledge through reliable sources. But for the most part, these charts are not being accurate with how bullish crypto really is. But you can't just rule them out. Okay? So, if this is bullish, then it looks to me like an inverse head and shoulders. So for that to work out, we would need to break back above this resistance, maybe retest it, and then go up forever, straight to all the ungodly price predictions that we all have, right, as bullish crypto people. Another way I could see this going is inverse head and shoulders, comes down, tries to break it, and fails. Okay? So what did I do here? I drew a little circle, a little highlighted circle. All this is doing for me and for you guys, since you're here on my channel, the amazing Markup Satisfaction, is marking a point in time, a period in time, and a level at the same time. It's marking a coordinate of time and price. Okay, so this target for the date is between December 2nd and December 12th. Okay? Why did I pick December 12th? I have no real reasoning. I just am using my eye. I'm just eyeing it to see, what I want to happen. This could go to the 15th. If it goes far past the 15th, we'll talk about that in a second, but that wouldn't really line up or make sense. If it goes far past the 15th, then the narrative begins to shift. It doesn't shift entirely, but it begins to shift. So between the 2nd and the 12th right here, I'm expecting price to come down further and either touch this trend line or touch this 23.6% on the Fibonacci. This is where I'm looking for price to come, in between these dates. And right here, I just drew this, is December 6th. That's not the date I'm marking. I'm just saying that's what I drew, December 6th. And this is what we could see. Look it. We do not see a price reversal here yet. There's no price reversal. And I get it. The charts are not accurately depicting things. Okay. But I'm like, me as a person who looks at charts and is in this economic stuff, like I'm gonna look for price action too. I'm not just gonna say, oh, throw it all out the window. It's not important. Like there's no reversal here. And when you really look at it, not to I'm not trying to over examine this chart, but really when you look at it, like look at guys, we're in a channel. Okay, we're in a channel. And all this previous 10% pump was us bouncing off the bottom of the channel back to the top of the channel into a major structure right here. And now we're going back down. Okay? So keep that in mind. There's nothing crazy going on here yet. This is still all very, very boring. So me personally, we tested this structure once, twice, 3 times. Okay? When the market moves, it normally goes in 2s and 3s. Well, this is the 3rd time it's touching this structure, and now we're seeing rejection. The sellers are winning. So I think that we're going to come down to this area right here around, 51 to 50K. I'll say between $53,000 and $50,000 Bitcoin is what I'm expecting to see here. If we dip below this trend line, like anywheres in this area right here, I would like to just see it be a wick. Here on the daily, I would like to see that just be a wick. And then from here, this is a reversal. What I drew right here, this is a reversal. Let me delete this just to get out the way. This purple drawing is a reversal pattern. I think it's called an out of structure W. It's either an extended W or an out of structure W. Either way. Comes down, maybe dip below this with a wick or something. Comes back up above that trend line, touches that trend line, and then just goes straight, blasts through that major structure and just goes straight blasting through the roof. Okay? If we don't see a movement like this, parabolic move like this, here soon, hopefully before the 15th of this month, then I will start to shift my beliefs or whatever you want to call it towards Raoul Pal's extended, prolonged Bitcoin bull run. Okay? I'm not going to call it the crypto market bull run because very easily, if Ethereum 2.0 goes the way we want it to, Bitcoin could go into a prolonged bull run. And all that would look like is something like this. Let me draw it out for you real quick. A prolonged bull run for Bitcoin. We're already we're seeing what the movement would look like, right? Very slow, and it would just continue like this until eventually it got to a point where it's just doing this. And it's not going crazy, but it is still going up. Very, very slowly over the course of years, all the way up until, it hits $1 million like Plan B says and all that. Again, Plan B has an amazing chart that kind of demonstrates what the trend lines looks like for that and stuff, but we're not going to get into that. So if we don't see a parabolic move here soon up to the targets of all of us crypto people, then I will start leaning my beliefs towards the prolonged bull run. I'm still not there yet, and I will not fully be there yet. Even in January, if we don't see a parabolic run, like I will start acknowledging the prolonged bull run, but I will not. I just won't. Yeah, it's just there's not enough there for me yet. So again, with ETH 2.0, if ETH 2.0 goes the way we want it to, and the triple halvening effect comes in, then Bitcoin could easily go into a prolonged bull run with Ethereum becoming the market leader and keeping the market in a parabolic state. And a lot of people think that's what's going to happen. I do think that ETH is going to be the market leader at some point. I think it's going to be here soon, personally. But again, right now, all eyes are on Bitcoin. Let's touch on this one more time, this drawing that I did the other day. What do people want you to do? What do the whales and the institutions and the banks want you to do? Because understand, the banks are behind in crypto. They are very behind. They do not have a grasp on this crypto stuff yet. They don't know what's going on. They have a little bit of idea what's going on. They're not clueless. You got to understand, these institutions, these banks moving around billions of dollars every single day, millions and billions of dollars, and they don't have the understanding that they need to yet to actually be able to do what they want to do. And they also don't have the regulatory clarity yet. So they want to keep these markets down for as long as possible so that they could continue to accumulate, and so that we could also see regulatory clarity, and then they could actually accumulate and keep it fully on the books. And then they could really ape in all of their billions of dollars into this market. And the only way, you can't just do that with price suppression, or you can't just do that with market manipulation. In terms of when we think about it in price action, right? So what I mean is they're creating meme coins. I'm not dissing the meme coins. I have some meme coins. You can make money off of meme coins, but these institutions and banks are creating meme coins or paying people to create meme coins or something, so that retail investors like you and me could come into this market brand spanking new saying, yo, let's go buy some meme coins. Let's get these millions of dollars, right? Because these meme coins are going to make us millionaires. I'm not saying a meme coin can't make you a millionaire. It very well can, okay? Just understand what you're doing when you come into a meme coin. Most likely, it's not going to be a long-term play. It could be, but most likely it will not be. The reason they want you to take your money and put it into here is because they want to keep your money out of here, out of the utility coins, for as long as possible. And what that does is it creates price suppression right here. Keeps the market flat for as long as possible, because all of the funds are going into the meme coins, into the fun stuff, the stuff that's going to make us millions of dollars. And that's keeping this price all flat, while everyone is here real life hodling. We're all over here just playing games in these markets. And so banks and institutions and smart retail investors, like you and me, because you're here watching this channel, The Amazing Markup Satisfaction, are here accumulating, okay, along with the smart money, for eventually one day to just go straight up and never return. Like, see you later, bye. This was the chance you have right now. This is your chance. And we're gone. See you later. Never coming back. You will never see prices like this ever again. Period. End of story. And these are the coins that are safe to hold for 10 years plus. These are the coins that you don't want to hold for that long. Most of the time, I'd say 99% of the time, you do not want to hold these for 10 years. Okay? Just want to put that out there. You want to invest in the stuff that's going to change the world. Amazon changed the world. It changed the way we shop. Google changed the world. It changed the way we surf the internet. I could go on and on and on. Facebook changed the way we communicate with people. Instead of sending mail, now we are seeing everyone's everyday life here on the internet. Okay? Hashtag stay away from Meta. Don't trust Meta. That's a different video, but I just want to say that. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're looking at, everyone. And one last time, I'm still looking for at least a $70,000 Bitcoin, and I'm also looking for a $200,000 Bitcoin. I will not be holding much funds in my investments unless it's one of my long-term plays past 200K. Like I'm selling all the way up to 70K, and at this point, these are my moon bags. Anything past this level are my moon bags. And, if we hit this 200K mark, then I'm going to sell some of my moon bags. And, if we continue up past that, I don't really care. I really don't care. It's going to come down at some point, and I will be able to buy that. And I still have my long-term investments. I'm still buying those no matter what the prices are at right now, because eventually, ladies and gentlemen, in 10 years plus, every single chart in crypto, let me hide this real quick. In 10 plus years, every single crypto that really matters and is really changing things in this world, all of them are going to look like this. I don't care. You can't tell me anything. You just cannot. Every single crypto is going to look like this. Straight up flat. These now prices, I'm talking about the prices you see right now, every single crypto that matters, that is going to change the world, the prices right now in 2021, 2022, 2023, whatever, are going to look absolutely flat. And that's just how it's going to be. Right now is your time. This is it. You know, be smart. Find the education you need. If you need help finding out where to start, come talk to me. With that being said, I want to hear what you have to say. Drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Again, my name's Victor. If you got value from this, please hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification so you never miss another video from Markup Satisfaction. Tell your friends about me, and until next time, peace.